Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your footer payment methods in Shopify Dawn theme. So you will be able to add more payment method icons and etc. by just changing a code. So what we'll need to do is basically go right here to Online Store, Themes, and click on the three dots, click on Edit Code right here. And then basically you'll need to wait until it loads, as you can see. And basically you'll see something like this. Okay, I will just show you like this. Then click on the sections, and then you'll need to find a footer.liquid. So right here I have opened it right now, and what you'll need to do is click on Ctrl F, so you'll be able to find the right code line, and I will leave this command in description. And just paste it, and you'll see that you have this line, and just copy these two lines, then just select that and paste it, the new code. After that, delete all those blank spaces, and then what we'll need to do is just save your code like this and refresh your store, and as you can see you will have these icons enabled. Right here you can change the order if you want to. Let's say I want to be first Master and then Visa, so I will do that. So click Save, and then it should change the order, as you can see, like this. So if this video was helpful for you guys, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.